Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. And following on from some of my videos about the prosperity marketing system, which I've been talking about, I've been adding a lot of training in here for you guys, new training. So not only are you going to be getting the stuff that I mentioned in the previous video, and I'll touch on that, you're also going to get my brand new training course for YouTube, teaching you how to crank up and boost your YouTube channel. So I've got a great training in here for you, and you'll be able to get access to this. We've got 5 modules that takes you through everything. So not only that, you're going to get my AI training course as well with the 5 modules in there, including everything in there. You're also going to get my lead magnet training course teaching you how to create your own lead magnets. And when you click the link here, you'll get everything. I sell this course on Warrior Plus, but you're going to get it for free when you come through me with Prosperity Marketing System. And this also gives you all the source files, like the share codes for the demonstration funnel that you can use, and they're real kind of like you can use them, you can edit them, and give you all the graphics that you can edit. So it just teaches you how to set up your own lead magnets. But not only that, it teaches you how to create a viral lead magnet so that your downline can actually rebrand your lead magnet. And I give you a couple of lead magnets that you can actually edit using Google Docs, and then you can convert them into a viral lead magnet using LeadsLeap. So we've got that, and then we've also got you can integrate this entire system into any autoresponder. So I've already created an autoresponder generator that synchronizes with LeadsLeap. So the whole thing seamlessly integrates with your LeadsLeap autoresponder, but you can also integrate it in other autoresponders as well, like literally every autoresponder. Guys, you're going to get 100% commissions when you promote this. And it also has a 2 up to infinity compensation plan. I also give you obviously access to our Live Good training, 7-day training course. So you'll get access to that, obviously. You'll also get access to my share codes. These share codes are not LeadsLeap share codes. In fact, actually, the one down here is a LeadsLeap share code, which is for the email follow-up series. It all integrates into LeadsLeap as well. So when they come through and they take a free tour with this prosperity marketing system, you can integrate it into LeadsLeap. So you use the built-in autoresponder code generator to integrate it seamlessly into LeadsLeap that I've created there for you. And then you can grab the share code for the follow-up series. But here, up here, these share codes are for the Prosperity Marketing System. And I've got a video here to show you how to set that up with Prosperity Marketing System. So what these pages will allow you to do is when your leads come through, not only do they grab a free tour within the Prosperity Marketing System, and don't forget, guys, when they take action, you get 100% commissions. But it also integrates seamlessly into LeadsLeap as well. Now, obviously, you don't necessarily have to use LeadsLeap if you don't want to. You can use Aweber, GetResponse, or any other autoresponder system imaginable. And then you get those share codes so that you can just start promoting literally straight away. And then you can also get access to all the stuff that I've got. And if you decide to upgrade to the owner level, you can add in your own training into this, almost like as if it's your marketing system, and you can decide what programs you want to allow your downline to access and rebrand. So it's like a downline builder, but you put in your username just to brand it yourself. But if you don't like a particular program that's already in here, you can either delete it or you can add your own programs of your choice. So if you're in a bunch of programs that you want to add, you can do that. So traffic sources, and you can also add in your own primary business into this. You can either use the one that your sponsor's promoting, or you can edit that and put in your own primary business so that your downline will consider to join that. Or if they upgrade to the owner level and they don't want to keep your business, and they want to put their business in there, that's up to them. But the good news is even if they don't choose to take action in your primary business, you still get 100% commissions with this prosperity marketing system. And there's a lot of people earning full-time incomes with this prosperity marketing system alone. So the great thing about it is it's all value you're giving out here, and you get 100% commissions. So regardless if they join your businesses or not, and if they decide to upgrade to the owner level and they decide to edit this system, you still get 100% commissions. So really powerful. So not only are you going to get the one-time upgrade if they decide to go in all in, which is only $97 anyway, but you also earn 100% commissions on the $12 per month. So you get a residual income with this system as well. So really powerful, guys. Get on board. Look forward to working with you. Get on the link below and let's get you started and access the value that you've got into here. And by the way, everything that I'm putting in here, you can even give that away to your downline as well. So what you get from me by joining me here, your downline get to see that as well. But if you don't want them to see that and you want to add your own, it's up to you. Or you can just decide some of what I give you can keep, or you can add your own. It's up to you. So anyway, see you on the inside, guys. Thanks for watching, and let's get on board. Bye for now.